everyone, it's Rina from Surat, Japan. I work for Surat, Japan as a member of sales team. Today, I would like to give you our office tour, so let's take a look with me. Let's go. So this is our building entrance. You can see our craft design room here. Ta-da! You can also experience our cutting machine here, like Camel 4, also Camel 4 Pro, as well as Portrait 4 2. Our office is located at 5th floor of this building, so let's take a look together. So here we go. This is our office. Ta-da! Welcome both. Welcome to our office. Exactly. We have a cafeteria like this. Also, our office is really open. Pretty, isn't it? Ta-da! We almost created all our furniture, also our decorations ourselves. And some of our influencers created this space. This is really cute, isn't it? It's so cool. Here we go. This is our office. We usually serve free drinks here. You can grab some of the cup of coffee for free. This is the outside cafeteria. We can have a meeting with this big table, just casually. Also, this area represents our brand concept. So we sometimes broadcast live. We sometimes create our contents here with using our machine portraits like this. Also, ta-da! This is another concept room, which is based on like black and thick colors, like this. Oh, here we go. This is the one we created together, isn't it? Cherry blossoms. It's so pretty. Also, I would like to introduce this fun space. As you know, we can have meeting here, just to sit down and lay down here. It's really creative, isn't it? That's cool. We are having the meeting inside. Yay! Ta-da! We sometimes create our contents here. Also, we sometimes video live here, like this. So let's go back to the entrance. So thank you for having a tour with me today. So I'm so happy to see you today. Bye bye.